Hi, fuckers.
Hi.
Watch the fucking language.
Sorry. Gentle folk.
Yeah. Gentle folk.
You're gonna have to edit. Because I'm not watching my mouth.
It's gonna be a lot of sound and music over there.
Yeah.
You can turn your head all you want. You're still gonna be in it.
Get the fuck out of here.
That was like one of the only things I forgot.
I thought about throwing a couple in my bag.
I thought about it like 5 times. I was like, okay, remember.
Yeah, I thought about it too, throwing it in one of my bags so we had them.
For pop cans and
then
trash. I don't like burning trash.
If it's paper plates, I'm okay with.
That's fine, but I don't like burning plastic and all that yuck like they did.
Because it just gets it nasty, and then especially if you're gonna use it for cooking, and then
Exactly.
you burn it, and it doesn't all like melt or whatever.
Yeah, there's still more in there. That shit pisses me off.
I get if you don't have a trash bag, but figure it out. Don't forget. Especially metal cans.
We went food packing the other night and went down by one of the river accesses where people like get in and out.
Launch their boat and like
There's so much trash piled up right on the edge. I was like, fucking really?
a big like beer can fire and shit.
Yeah.
They
I
do
was
that
like,
a
you're
lot up
going
here.
in a fucking car. There's no fucking reason for
They
that
do that
shit.
a lot up here though, because we've been to a few campsites around up in this area, and
You're wearing my fucking socks.
Yeah,
Where am I? I
darn
was
tough.
looking for those. I couldn't fucking find
They were
them.
sitting on the floor this morning. I seen them. I was like, oh, I guess that's what I'm wearing today.
Never marry someone with the same size foot as you.
go bug him.
I haven't had.
All the wall.
Yep.
Because they were dusty as hell. Danielle was doing something. And
Ooh.
bitch.
Tips.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah.
I was excited for this party. Sam Squanch.
Bye.
Yeah, I forgot I was gonna. The reason why I turned around was gonna be like number 7. Yeah, number 7. But so
It was still open.
yeah, I lost hearing in this ear for like a good half hour today. Yeah, I was doing an air check after I did a repair on a big ass RV. Dude had his mirror fully extended out.
Here you go.
I stand up, turn my head sideways, just whack, and it just goes. You know, inside my head, like.
You're letting bugs in, motherfucker.
Yeah, DJ.
God damn it, DJ.
You're gonna catch lots of him doing stupid shit.
Rick and Morty last night. For a while.
Yeah, see, my phone's the S22, so it's like the smallest version.
Morning.
Morning.
Because I wanted to be simple, because I actually have three.
Morning.
Good morning.
No, I'm realizing why everybody always gets a bigger phone, because it's got like 2,000 more milliamp.
Hold your truck. I don't have my fucking truck bed legs anymore. This is gonna be interesting.
I don't have truck bed legs, period.
You're handsome.
I know. Weren't we just talking about standing up in these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're doing it without you. Ha 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 ha.
No, Ben stood up in it the other day.
Yeah. He was standing on the back seat, holding on to the rail.
Because, you know, we're awesome parents. Remember to tuck and roll if you fall.
Yeah.
You gotta keep your knees bent a little bit. So that way it just moves you. Not like that, like what I'm doing.
No, I was gonna smuck it in my head.
Oh. Well, I should probably be paying attention to that, huh?
Yeah, my mind.
Next thing you know, she's gonna go
Whack.
out the back.
Next thing you know, she's sitting there hanging onto a tree branch.
Oh,
way
hey
back
guys.
there.
Hey guys.
Where'd Les go?
Can I use your lighter?
Alright.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a cute little
Park.
park.
See, this would be the place to bring the boys.
This is all new. This never used to be down here. All new to me, anyway.
This is where we should bring the boys so they could have this whole area to run.
Can you camp down in here?
Only at
No.
numbered sites.
Only at numbered sites.
Yeah, behind us.
You still come down here for a day, bring some charcoal.
They must not have too bad of a bear problem if they've got.
Trash cans just sitting right there.
Yeah.
They probably check them periodically throughout
That
the day.
don't matter.
You're probably tired trying to make it all the way up these steps.
Fucking mosquitoes. Why would be here? Hi, guy.
Be careful, there's a snapper over there, DJ.
Oh yeah, where'd it go? always allowed in the hen house.
Every hen deserves a good cock every now and then.
Hey, sexy lumberjack.
What?
You wanna come here? I got some logs you can take care of.
Ew.
What?
Logs are poop.
You.
Being fucking lazy.
.360 cameras.
Those are cool as shit too. I'm gonna get a drone. 50. You got 200.
So
1150.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a lot of people that could live without me. They don't even know who I am. No. To be in fact, there's billions.
I don't even know my name. I don't even know where you live. I'm not real.
Wow! Wow! Whoa!
Look at that ball go.
Easy turbo.
Looks like I'm last today. My brother-in-law's ahead of me just by a hair.
Yeet.
Ooh, close. Oh, that was close.
And a fire.
Blue balls, DJ.
I'm
through.
Blue balls. Blue balls.
Don't touch it. Fucking woodworks and hit the damn thing. You're up, Caleb.
Give him good luck.
Go ahead, DJ.
What the shit is this?
Go get it, watch.
You're a dick.
First place.
Balls.
Second place. Who's supposed to money?
Second place.
You hit your own camera.
You did it.
Here goes Steph. Oh, you went? Oh, you didn't go.
I didn't go yet.
You're up, Steph. I gotta not lose to Caleb.
What the f-
I think
just missed it.
I think you might be just a tad closer.
Caleb is just a hair.
All right, Elizabeth. Shit balls. Oh, third.
Third.
Ta-da.
I lost. Dead last.
Fourth. Sun feels good on my face
Yeah, it does.
though. It's still cold, but not when the sun comes out at least.
Oh, he's trying to kill us.
He just wants to get us good like we're not today.
Don't go straight, Bug.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, I'll kill ya. This might cool on a snap though. You laughed at me for those noises yesterday.
I'm old too. It's okay. Still younger than you.
Not by much.
You ready, Daddy?
I'm ready, honey bunny. Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
Got
tired.
everything cleaned up. Ready to rock and roll.
You want to rock and roll?
Mm-hmm. Love it.